As an investor, it has always been a challenge to lead a comfortable lifestyle post retirement. For that, we have to be financially prepared. Will Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan help you to maintain your lifestyle and also achieve your lifestyle goals? Let us take a deep look at this plan and conduct a comparative analysis by which we would come to know whether this plan will be beneficial for us in leading a successful lifestyle post retirement and also what value will this plan add to your investment portfolio. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan is non-linked, non-participating, deferred and immediate annuity plan. Now let's take a look into its features, types of annuity plans, eligibility criteria. Then let's further look into its IRR analysis and also compare it with other investment avenue. By that, we would come to know whether investing in this plan would be beneficial to our investment portfolio or not. Now let's first look into the features of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan. Option to take joint life annuity with 50% or 100% annuity payable to your spouse after an unfortunate death. Your annuity amount is guaranteed at policy inception and is paid regularly as per your choice and need. It can be yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly. Choose from wide range of annuity options. There are 9 annuity options to meet your requirements. Option to receive return of purchase price ROP on death or as survival benefit. The following table depicts that there are 9 annuity options such as life annuity with ROP on death, annuity certain, joint life annuity, last survives with 50% of annuity to spouse. If you see in all these options, immediate annuity is common, whereas deferred annuity single pay and deferred annuity regular pay varies according to the option that you choose. So it's always important for you to choose the right option for catering to your financial needs and also to your lifestyle goals. Now let's look into the advantages of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan. Both premium paying term and annuity period can be customized to your convenience. It can generate guaranteed income throughout your life. Top up premium option is anytime available after the policy commencement date under the existing immediate or deferred annuity policy. At any policy anniversary, annuity payment frequency can be changed. During the determinant period, every month guaranteed additions will be added, applicable only for deferred annuity. Now let's look into the possible disadvantages of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan. Annuity income will not be sufficient as it can only be counted as additional source of income. The annuity amount is fixed throughout your life and not adjusted to inflation. Some of the annuity options are available only for immediate annuity and single pay deferred annuity. Annuity rate prevailing at the time of inception will be locked. Annuity is taxable as per your slab rate. Now we have got a basic outlook of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan. But for us as an investor, before choosing any plan, it's always important for us to see its IRR analysis. Now let us take some few assumptions by which we can get this Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan IRR analysis. Now there is a male whose age is 50 years, his premium paying term is single pay, purchase price is 25 lakhs, annuity frequency is yearly, assured life expectancy is 85 years. If you see this benefit illustration is taken from Bajaj Allianz website. Now if you see under immediate annuity, its IRR seems to be 6.59 to 6.72 and under deferred annuity, its IRR seems to be 5.98 to 6.03. If you see these IRR are lesser than even bank FD rate and also certain post office schemes to offer better return than this. So it is essential for us as investor to see its alternatives and other investment avenues. Now let's compare this Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan with other investment avenues. If you see SCSS and RBI floating rate bond, SCSS means Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. If you see from the above table itself, it is evident that we have other better alternative investments which can generate better return and also good for a liquidity process. Especially during our retirement period, factors like cash flow, liquidity and rate of return everything should be considered before investing. So if you consider all these factors, then Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal wouldn't be the right choice to be chosen as an investment choice in your retirement period. Now let's see the final verdict on Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan. It has been a hassle-free investment for investors, but due to its liquidity and interest, it is unfit to be in your investment portfolio. Diversified investment portfolio for retirement help you combat inflation and also rising medical expenses. Annuity plans available in the fund won't help you generate inflation beating returns in the long run. So it is important for us as investors to plan our retirement, but at the same time choose a proper investment vehicle catering to our retirement needs and requirements. A detailed analysis on Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Pension Goal Plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.